Hi, this is Rodney with Mercer Online. This video is going to demonstrate how to extend time for an assessment for a student with academic accommodations. So I'm inside of my course and I come to my quiz. This is the Module 1 quiz. And I click on the action arrow for that quiz. And from the drop down, I'm going to do edit the test options. This is what I'm going to select. And then once this comes up, you'll see here's the test info, the name, any of the link description. Just scroll down through all of that. And the section you want to get to is test availability exceptions. It's right here. So I want to add a user or a group. So I click on add user or group. And I'm going to choose my student who requires double time. And I'm going to go with Barney Rubble since he's right here at the top of my list. I click on the checkbox by his name and I click on the submit button down here. And now you'll notice that Barney Rubble gets multiple attempts. He gets two attempts at this. It will auto submit once time expires. But Barney has academic accommodations, so Barney gets double time. So what I do is I just come right here where it says 15 under the timer, and I change it to 30. Well, that's it. Everything else remains the same. If you want to insert a due date, you can do that right here. If you want to extend a, he gets, maybe there was some confusion getting things set up, and so you need to make it available for him a little longer, you can do that right here. You can just adjust the until date. And then once you're done, you click on submit, and that's it. You've established the required academic accommodation for the assessment in Blackboard. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at Mercer Online, 609-570-3389, or email merceronline@mccc.edu. Thank you.